Alright guys, we're back on the roof job. So if you didn't see the other video on this, it's on the channel of us scraping the roof. Quite a few time lapses on that, but as you can see, this is today's job, part 2. Hope I don't fall off the wall. And the job consists of now putting the biocide on the roof. So if we just climb up here real quick, I'll show you guys the roof with its scraped product. As you can see, the roof has all been scraped, so all the moss has been removed, as well as all of the gutters have been vacuumed and are all clear, so all flowing perfectly. So what I'll do now is show you what Dad's doing. He's around the other side applying the biocide with the extendable poles, the carbon poles, and then obviously a brush on the end. So I'll time lapse most of the roof being done, so enjoy the time lapse and the video. Alright, Dad's just finishing up those sides here. As you can see, the camera's almost flat, so we're gonna have to wrap it up. But this is all of this section, all around the back, all sprayed with the GK-PRO Biocide. So give this a bit of time with the weather to work itself out. All this side is sprayed as well, so he's just gonna move on to the final roof, which won't bother filming. But if you guys enjoyed the time lapses, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you want them answering, leave them down below and we'll do our best to answer them. But this was the roof job. So scraped yesterday and then biocided today, as well as some window cleaning. So yeah, subscribe to the channel to see more content like this.